I gave you guys 7 new words this week. Let's see what were those, because at Master Azerbaijani Word of the Day, it's a weekly recap day. We started with Yağış, rain, precipitation, rainfall. We continued with qaraldı. You heard it recently, which means darkened blood, but it means actually to feel down, to become sullen. We learned Soyuq, chilly. We learned hot, warm, İsti. We learned the air, weather, or melody, Hava. We learned the life source on earth, Günəş, sun, sunshine. And we learned to leave, to go, Getmək. Of course, how can you forget my dad joke uses? There they go. Qanım qaraldı. The Wi-Fi dropped again. I washed my car and guess what? Yağış immediately showed up. I opened the window for inspiration and got only more Hava. Where are my Günəş glasses? Great. Somebody set the AC air conditioner to Soyuq again. See Qanım qaraldı on the top? You want to know what happened there? Make sure to check the video. All right, quiz time. Which word also means melody? Drop in the comments below. Make sure not to worry about any of the letters that you don't have in your keyword. Just type in something closer. And make sure to come back next week for a new set of words, because we are posting every single day new word, right? Make sure to come back tomorrow, because remember, consistency is the fluency. Until then, check masterazerbaijani.com. I post every 10 days new blog there about how to learn Azerbaijani, give you tips and tricks to make it easier. All right? Cheers.